Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is George Ilagan Vlog po. And ngayon, today, I'm gonna try to speak in English and everybody understand that my friends all over the world. Anyway, so now, napaka-special day. Special day na kasi I have the a little bit na natupad na hindi naman sa natupad na gustong gusto ko pero ito ay medyo nahirapan ako kasi sobra kasing sabihin natin kaunting mahal. Pero ngayon, mag-unboxing tayo which is meron ako ditong mga ano ba to, paper bags. I have the paper bags here for unboxing. Ayan, as you can see guys. We have our Gucci and level shoes. Actually this one, you will see this one later on. And also the another level shoes. Ayan. So, once again guys. So, ayon. So, we have the level shoes. And once again, I discussed before because the camera will be interrupted before. So, before anything else guys, this is the video. It's for not sensitive people. Because maybe the sensitive people, they want to show to the people, you know. So, it's very important that you have happy because we are working very hard. So, we need to be what we call this one exactly. We need to be starting to dream until you will be get that things that you are really need in your life or that you will really to become happy in your life. So once again, we're gonna open this one, the smaller one, which is what this is, level shoes, the small paper bag, yan. And the box is the level shoes pa rin. So level shoes, ayan. So sorry guys, because the ring light is it's falling down, the ring light. I'm just scared. I'm really scared. So don't worry about that. I'm really scared the ring light, it's falling down like my feelings before. So actually carton lang naman talaga to. This is only carton or is this only box? So I don't know what is this. So maybe this one, I don't know this one. And eto, this is the box now. Eto, talagang empty na talaga siya as in. So, favorite ko ay isa sa mga luxury na gamit is wallet. Talagang noon pa man, nagwa-wallet na tayo. So, Saint Laurent siya. Wallet ito. Meron siya ditong, I don't know what is this. Maybe this one is some necktie. So, no need to open this one. So we have also this one, the Saint Laurent. So no need to show the prices. Okay, so that's the Saint Laurent tag. I don't know what you call this one. So eto na yon. That's the wallet. Only this actually guys. It will be. I'm very happy the wallet kasi importante the wallet. Importante yung wallet para sa atin. It's leather siya, original, made in from Italy. Saint Laurent, Paris. Yes, Paris, Italy. So, I'm so happy about this to considering my gift and myself. Because if you are asking with me guys, every time that my birthday, I really wanted to buy that luxury for myself. So, that's my dream. Alright, so, eto lang yun. Sorry. Eto lang yun. So, this only, and the big box, this one, we have the paper bag, that's all. And another one, and charan, we have the level shoes here, the big paper bag, the medium size. And, buksan na natin. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna speak the mix, Taglish, Tagalog, English. But my target viewers, Filipino, not sure, national. So, a little bit harder to open this one. Oh my god. So, I didn't want to say it. Actually, guys, I will buy in Dubai Mall this one. But I'm gonna put this one. It's a proper unboxing like that. So, this is it. The level shoes. Level shoes. Level 1, level 2, level 4. So, buksan na natin. And of course, my favorite brand guys, the Gucci. Yes. So, ating Gucci. Ayan, sapato na siya. Meron siyang praying cards. Ito yung cards na to. Pwede ka magtungit, pwede ka magpusoy ito. Anong gawin mo? So, this is the pre actually. Like that. So, many people to play the cards. Sometimes they boring. So, it's possible this one. Okay, this is the free. And the box, only that. So we have the blah 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 blah. What is this? Level shoes, blah 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 blah. So I have no time for reading this one. So this is Gucci, one of my favorite brand that I say earlier. So this is the slippers, guys. So ayan. Okay. So this is actually yung wallet. The wallet is the more expensive, more than here. This is the price. So I don't want to show the price. So we're gonna see. We're gonna open now. Yes. I don't know in the Gucci. I really like the luxury because one purse of the shoes or the one items that you can buy it for them, it's separate or different. One each. It will be 2 bags. This one, that what we call this one, dusty bag. Yeah, so this is that Gucci slippers, which is really good, guys, to the people treating with you not good, and the people doing the plastic with you. You're gonna slap this one using the Gucci in the face, so maybe they will come at us. Char. So this is it, guys. So yes, this one. This is the purse of the Gucci. So I'm gonna try it. But my feelings since my 41. Maganda kasi sa sa mga luxury. Pwede mo siyang ibenta. Pwede mo pa rin siyang mabenta for the future. So last but not the least, we're gonna open one of my favorite bag because I was in the Philippines the 1 week last month ago. Yes, March 26. I was there in the Philippines. It's very difficult to using the hand carry, no organizing, not at all. So much better. Bagay na bagay siya sa mga nagtra-travel. So ayan, eto napakasimple lang nito, guys. Eto talaga yung bag na pinag-ipunan ko as in. Ayan. So Gucci pa rin siya, hindi halatang hindi ako pa ng Gucci. So, eto na yung bag na aking favorite ngayon. Ito na yung aking ngayong toys na bag. Pwede ko siyang gamitin pag nag-hotel ako, lumalabas ako. At talagang pwede rin talaga siyang pang bardagulan. So, ayan siya. Pwede mo siyang ganyan, model. And pwede mo rin siyang ganito. Yes. And kapag masyado ka napapagod, pwede mo rin siyang, it will be possible to using the what we call shoulder belt band tawag dito. Please comment the section, guys, what we call this one. The shoulder kemerot. This one, you can put it this one. So, magkano nga ba ang presyo ng aking luxury ngayon? So, ito po pinakita ko natin sa inyo ay for inspiration lang doon. Mag-work tayo ng mag-work para matupad natin yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Hindi ko siya intention kasi hindi ko siya intention na ipamukha sa mga tao, sa mga nanonood or sa makakapanood na parang baka naman ito si Oliver or si Jaris ay nag-show ng mga ganyan. For inspiration to everybody, instead you are getting the jealousy to everyone, that the people, you need to be pursue, you need to fulfill your dreams when you was before a younger, that all the people. That we are very hard working because it's for ourselves, it's for our future. So this is it, guys. So I just want to inspire to everyone to work and work and work as long as that you have the savings and we have the limitation. That's the very important, because one thing, the one that you make the happy in yourself, you need to it. So once again, guys, sa mga kapwa ko Pilipino, sa lahat ng overseas Filipino worker, magporsige sa mga nagtatrabaho. Magporsige sa pagtatrabaho, bilihin mo ang gusto mong bilihin, kainin mo ang gusto mong kainin, sakyan mo ang gusto mong sakyan. Kasi deserve nyo yan. Deserve natin to na bigyan natin ng regalo ang ating mga sarili. Hindi tayo nagpapakahirap magtrabaho para sa ibang tao, which is tumutulong, kailangan tutulong rin tayo. Pero dapat po ay may limitations. So, kung gusto niyo malaman kung magkano po talaga lahat to, so comment ba below, what we call this one? Leave the comments below this video. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching my video and see you soon. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Jari Silagan Vlog, and see you again. Thank you. Have a great time.